our channel Informative. In this video I will tell you how to code it. It is a very good tool that you can do in your home in lockdown. You can do it in your home in lockdown in your free time. So it is scratch.mit.edu. It is the website that you can code from there. You will build interest in your computer and coding softwares. And now let's jump into it. So fellows, we are in our laptop. You will type scratch.mit.edu. The link is provided in description. So now cardboard. So first you will create account, like I am creating account like this. Sign out. I am join Scratch, and we will type our. So first I am providing the my username, for example Ibrahim /log. So we will type our password. So first, so I am putting it to see password, and I am typing the password. And now we will which country I will save here. Country Pakistan. Next, month January, year 2010. I am male. Next, email address. In email address I am writing our email address that I am using. Let's start. So now we will click create from here. It's loading. The net is slow, so don't mind, please. So let me pause the video till it's loading. So we'll pause our video. So now our loading is done. This interface will come, and you will go to, if you are new to this, so you will click tutorials and make a clicker game, getting started, talking tail, make a chase game, make it fly, add a sprite, Pong game. Pong is my favorite game, so I will show you how to do it. So it will load, and you will first let it so you will skip this, add a back around. You will do like this. You will click events. When clicked point in direction, you will go to position, point. I am point in direction. So I am moved it here, and I am moving my camera here because we have to code. And forever, you will go to forever and move 16 steps. So we will do it first. We will do it 45, and then move 16 steps. Move 16 steps, and if on edge, bounce. If on edge, bounce. So this is if edge, bounce. So we will go in purple. No, we will go to motion. If on edge, bounce. This is if on edge, bounce. Look at this, and we will click this. Add another separate pedal. We will search here. Pedal here. Pedal. So we have pedal here, and we will make it move. And by move it, first we will move it here. Oh, bell. It's mistake. By mistake, the bell come over here. And now the game is not completed. So we will do like this, and we will do the steps. When clicked forever, and set X to mouse X. So I will show you. So you will go into this, set X2. You will click set X2. You will do like this, and you will go to sensing and drag mouse X over here. Look, now we have done this. So do like this. So now we will click ball. So we will click ball, and then we will add code to bounce the ball off the pedal. So it will bounce like this. Events, when click forever. If and it is some complicating, so I will do it for you. If we will drag here, touching pedal, we will go to sensing, touching, and do like this, and click like this, and blue, turn 180 degrees, turn this 180 degrees, 180 degrees, and move 15 steps. Move 15 steps. 0.5 seconds. Control, wait 0.5 seconds. Wait, this may move 0.5 seconds. Now this add a score. My new variable. Okay. Make a variable score. You will create. You will no. You will go to my blocks. No, you will go to variable. Make a variable and variable name score. Score for all sprites. Okay. Okay. So score. Change my variable by 1. So change score by 1. Okay. Score by 1. Okay, we will do like this. Change score up here and look. Now we will do score and click set score to. We will go. This is the ball one, and you can do it in any. So I am doing here, and when clicked, so we are moving for some time here, and we will set score to 0. Set score to 0. So we will do like this. Set score to 0. Okay, then we will add the line sprite. You will line. You will type here line, and a line will come over here. Line. We will do line here. Why the line isn't coming? So line is coming. We will move it to here. So now we will game over, and we will click this line sprite, and we will let this forever. If and then touching ball. If touching ball, you will go to sensing and do this. If touching ball. If touching ball. Stop all. You will go this control stop all, and then it's done. Our game is done. So I will show you how to play this. We will reset the game from 0. So do this. We have made it. So now we have made it. I will name it Pong Game by Ibrahim, and you will check my game. The link is in description, so you can share this by click this, and now instructions. No instruction. No data available. No, we will this. It took me a about 5 minutes, about 5 to 10 minutes. For 10 minutes. The link is in description. Play my game. Okay. So we will on game by informative by informative. So now commenting on. Now see inside, and we will share. If it would share, I will save now. Save now, and if it would be shared, I will share it in my description. I will share it. So I will provide the link in description, and please go to that link. Please subscribe, like, share our video. If you are bored in lockdown, please do this. So meet you in next video. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz guys, and please pray for my grandmother.